Morning, guys. And hope all of you marked your attendance. If yes, we'll start. Else, please do that right away. Right. Good morning, everyone. Okay. So I would like to start off with a disappointing note. Um, since the past couple of days, we've been having the interview sessions, and I really feel many have not taken note of what we discuss in class. They just stuck with the old methods and make the same mistakes. To start with, giving your name when somebody is asking you some question, right? Tell me about yourself. Don't start with your name, right? Please don't. Okay. Coming back to the mistakes, um, the reasons you need to understand. Every question has a reason. Why is it asked, right? அது நம்மளுக்கு clear-ஆ தெரியணும். Um, so I'll go ahead and help you understand that today. Please, 15 minutes of your time, note it down if you want to understand how to structure your answers. Tell me about yourself. It is asked for two reasons. Okay, one, to check your ability in terms of your communication skills, your confidence in terms of your communication skills. That is one. The second thing is to know about you, what you bring to the table. So answering it requires two parts. One thing is about yourself, in kind of information about your schooling, about your college, why you chose this, why you chose that. Okay, so that is information that has to be given. The second thing is, what are the skills or what is it about you that you think is actually going to help us value add our organization. That is exactly what you will give. அது உங்க strengths and weaknesses இருக்கலாம். Predominantly strengths. Okay, your abilities, your skill set. Okay, what is the value addition you can bring? Value addition na basic criteria ஒன்னு இருக்கு. அதுக்கு மேல என்ன இருக்கு உங்கள்ட்ட? So that is something which you can project when you are asked, tell me about yourself. Okay, so அதே மாதிரி when you are answering, tell me about yourself, don't start with your name, because when you entered you already gave your name. So that is one. And try to be as interesting as possible. Don't just monotonously give an answer. um, மனப்பாடம் பண்ணி ஒப்பிக்கிற மாதிரி. I mean, don't memorize it and answer. That is not going to help at all. You have to build a conversation. That conversation will be able to help you out in the first 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, that is one. Second question is about the positives. Still, positives ன்னு ஏதாவது கேட்டாங்க, இல்ல உங்களோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த்ஸ்னு கேட்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா, they are asking about how do you know your strengths? How do you think these are your strengths? Where have you used your strengths and achieved something? அதுதான் அவங்க கேட்கறது. Tell me about your strengthsனா ஒரு 3 strength லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்றது ஆன்சர் கிடையாது. Okay, the reason for the question is to check. உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா உங்களோட ஸ்ட்ரென்த்ஸ் என்னன்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா? எப்படி தெரியுங்கிறீங்க? That is what they wanted to check. Have you used your strengths to achieve something? Right? That is what they are asking. So, strength list out பண்றது சேர்த்து, when you list out your strengths, that is not an answer. You should also come up with an incident or an achievement from your past life, and somehow relate that achievement to the strength that you have. அதுதான் இதுக்கான ஆன்சர். Similarly for weakness. வீக்னஸ்னா ரெண்டு மூணு லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்றது கிடையாது. ஒன்னே ஒன்னு சொன்னாலும், how do you overcome that weakness? You need to tell them that as well. Okay, so this is about weakness. But at the same time, the உலகத்துல everyone have more than one weakness. Okay, so when this is asked in an interview, it doesn't mean வீக்னஸ் கேட்டா நீங்க வந்து ஒரு பாசிட்டிவையே நெகட்டிவா சொல்ற மாதிரி நீங்க யோசிச்சு வைக்காதீங்க. It won't work at all. For example, I want to be perfect. I want everything to be perfect. எப்படி? அது நல்ல விஷயம் தானே? அது எப்படி நெகட்டிவா சொல்றீங்க? சி இதெல்லாம் நிறைய பார்த்தாச்சு. அவங்களும் பார்த்துருப்பாங்க இன்டர்வியூ வரவங்களும். ஸோ இதை சொல்லிலாம் ஏமாற்ற முடியாது. ஒரு உண்மையான வீக்னஸ் உங்கள்கிட்ட இருக்க வீக்னஸை நீங்க ஸ்டடி பண்ணி வைங்க. Unless otherwise you come up with an answer where you are telling them honestly about a weakness, they will not take you seriously. Reason என்ன தெரியுமா? They will think that you don't have self awareness. You don't know about yourselfன்றதுக்கு அவங்க கன்க்ளூஷனுக்கே வந்துருவாங்க, which is a bad thing. So understand this. Weakness in keta, you will have to come up with a weakness and the ways and means and techniques that you use to overcome the weakness that you have. That will be your answer. Okay. The next question. Where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? Okay. Right. So, நான் higher studies பண்ண போறேன். I'm planning my higher studies. எப்போ? 3-4 yearsல. Is it a good answer? That's the worst possible answer. That's the worst possible answer. ஏன்னா you're not clear. You're not saying I'm planning my higher studies through distance education or okay weekend courses. அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க சொல்லல. You're saying you want to pursue your higher education, um, a specific timeline நீங்க கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னா, which is a wrong, bad answer. The reason is you will have to quit the company and then go for your higher studies. You already have a plan to quit their organization at some point of time, which is a bad point. The interview நீங்க சொல்றதுக்கு, it's really a bad point. Don't say that. Even if you have a future plan, higher studies, you don't have to lie. At the same time, you don't have to be very forthcoming. நான் சொல்லியே ஆவேன் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொல்லாதீங்க. You can say one thing. As of now, I don't have any plans. I'll have to wait for some time, maybe 5-6 years down the line. I will have to rethink and then decide on that. As of now, I don't have a plan. நீங்க சொல்லலாம். Okay, so that is how you will give a statement when they are asking about your future plans or your higher studies. Okay, and what else can you say? 5 years down the line, where do you see yourself? Again, team leader or manager. One of you said HR manager. அது எப்படி ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகும்னு எனக்கு தெரியல, but don't do that. See, designations is not what they are looking for. They are looking for personal growth, which will translate into organizational benefit. உங்களோட growth as a professional, how will it help the company? அதுதான் அவங்க கேட்குறாங்க. இந்த 5 years, where do you see yourself in 5 yearsனா இதுதான் அர்த்தம். நீங்க கேட்கறது புரியுது. ஏன் டைரக்டா எவனும் கேட்க மாட்டானா அப்படின்னா கேட்க மாட்டான், இப்படிதான் கேட்பான். To understand what you really have in mind, right? So இதுக்கு வந்து டைரக்டா கேட்கணும்னா 5 yearsல நீங்க கம்பெனிக்கு எப்படி ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு கேட்கலாம். பட் தென் இதுல 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 நீங்க என்ன பதில் சொல்லிட முடியும்? இது பண்ணுவேன் அது பண்ணுவேன்னு சொல்லி ஒப்பேத்தலாம். பட் தென் தே ஆர் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் பீப்புள் who don't have a second opinion about doing something else. அவங்க உங்களோட they wanted to check your lies. They want to check if you are lying. They want to check if you have some other plan. அதனால தான் எல்லா கொஸ்டினுமே have an indirect meaning. Okay, so you need to understand the meaning, real meaning of questions and then start answering. So where do you see yourself in 5 years now? Your learning is important. Okay, you become subject matter expert in சொல்லலாம். You can also say I want to be the go-to guy. கம்பெனியில் ஏதாவது ஒரு டெக்னாலஜி டவுட் இருக்கு, டெக்னாலஜி ரிலேட்டட் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா ஐ ஷுட் பி த பர்சன் தே ஷுட் கம். நான் அந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் குட் பி அன் ஆன்சர். யூ கேன் ஆல்சோ சே இந்த டொமைன். ஸோ டொமைன் வேற, டெக்னாலஜி வேற. யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட், ரைட்? டெக்னாலஜினா நீங்க வாட் யூ யூஸ் அஸ் த டெக்னாலஜி டு சப்போர்ட் தி பிஸ்னஸ். டொமைன்னா இப்போ பேங்கிங் இஸ் அ டொமைன், டெலிகம்யூனிகேஷன் இஸ் அ டொமைன், ஹெல்த் கேர் இஸ் அ டொமைன். ஓகே, அந்த டொமைன் எந்த பிசினஸ்ல நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்றீங்கன்ற அர்த்தம். ஓகே, ஸோ எஃப்எம்சிஜி இஸ் அ டொமைன். All right. So retail is a domain. So what I mean is, when they ask where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years for that matter, you're going to look at these options as an answer. One, I have to be the technological go-to guy, go-to person. If there is any issues in terms of technology, the organization should think of me as a person who they can look up to, who they can come to for solving issues. That is one. இல்லைன்னா ஐ வாண்ட் பி த பெஸ்ட் இன் த டொமைன்னா இப்போ பேங்கிங் டொமைன்ல ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை, ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ், ஏதாவது கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ், இஷ்யூஸ் அப்படின்னா they'll have to come to you. So I'll have to be stronger in that particular domain so that the company will utilize my skills whenever there is a need in terms of that particular domain. So that is the answer that you should come up with. Never tell them that I want to lead a team. Okay, I want to be a manager. There is never an answer. Okay, வேற என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Mentoring சொன்னேன். You can mentor the new guys. So these are part of the answer that you can come up with. Never give them a designation as an answer for two reasons. One, அந்த கம்பெனில இந்த designation இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு கூட நமக்கு தெரியாது. How do we know a particular organization has a particular designation? Okay, this is one. The second thing is, how do we know in 3 years or 4 years or 5 years we can be there? Yeah. So imagine every company. I mean, I'm talking about the major multinationals that we are talking about. These companies have matrix, which is at least this person has to spend so many years in a particular designation before which he or she can be uh, promoted to the next level. இது every organization has this. Okay, it's a matrix, hierarchy matrix. You're saying that 5 years down the line, I want to be in this designation. நீங்க சொல்றீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. But then what if that organization has a basic requisition requirement of 7 or 8 years for that designation in their organization? What if they have something like that? We don't know from outside, so we can't be sure. So don't answer with a designation for sure. Okay, and designations and promotions depend on our performance. It's not a government organization where 7 years ஆச்சுன்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா they should be given another designation அப்படின்றதுலாம் கிடையாது. Right, so understand these things. Okay, that is why you won't answer with designations, but with learning, mentoring. Okay, SME, அந்த மாதிரி விஷயம் நீங்க சொல்லலாம். So that's the answers that you will provide. Okay, what else? All right, when you are asked a question, okay, um, which means they are trying to put you under pressure parallelly. Uh, so when you start a lie, you're stuck with the lie, and they're gonna keep insisting on explaining the lie. They would have identified that you are lying. At the same time, you will be caught in a web of lies, and you'll try to come out of it, which you can't. So don't lie in an interview, thinking that you can come out of this pressure situations. Okay, just be forthcoming, as honest as possible, but at the same time judicious about it. Honestna, எல்லா விஷயத்தையும் சொல்லணும்ன்றது கிடையாது. But then when they are specific about it, they are talking about your marks, right? Then you can't lie. If they are talking about your interest, then you don't have to be 100% honest there. At the same time, you can't lie also. And the balance you should identify, every one of us. And the balance இருந்தாதான் we will be able to be we'll be able to successfully handle the interview questions. Unless otherwise we handle the balance well, we will miss out on the opportunities. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Again, practice, preparation, nothing else. You can sit with your friends, have a conversation with them, மாத்தி மாத்தி interview பண்ணிக்கோங்க. That way, it's going to help you. Okay. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. How many of you are planning planning for interview sessions today? Clement, முடிஞ்சுச்சாமா interview for you? Okay. How many of you are not completed? Ganesh, when are you planning that? Okay. Chandu, right? The name is right? Chandu. When are you planning, Chandu? Left us. Okay. All right. Others who have not completed already, please plan it between today, tomorrow, and day after. That's absolutely vital for us to finish it up this week. Okay. So looking forward to your schedule update by today, tomorrow. Okay. Anything else? Any questions?